Welcome back, guys. So right now, let's talk about generative AI and how it's going to impact your brand as an e-commerce brand. When you have an e-commerce website, you need to create content because something you don't know about e-commerce is that is an advanced content marketing. But in this case, you're selling. So it's just like you're trading, but you create the content. So your products are your content. So to create all these type of things, you need AI, of course. You need to start by knowing your brand name. I could start my prompt easily and say I want to start an e-commerce brand, an e-commerce brand, an e-commerce brand for businesses. I want it to be a one-stop shop for businesses where businesses can get their recipes and recipes like business plan, business plans, pitch deck, pitch deck, business website, yeah, business registration, financial statements sheet, and different tools to foster businesses, most especially most especially business videos that talks about businesses and important figures in business world world worldwide. Yeah. So we're going to have something like this where we talk about this. So business videos that talks about. So this is how you get to start your brand. So basically what I'm saying is that generative AI helps you in terms of content, planning, decision making, and that's what we're trying to do here. So this is a prompt. Prompt is the input you give to a generative AI. And we have different generative AI tools, of course, not just Gemini, we have ChatGPT, we have a whole lot of tools. So we have different generative AI tools. And what is generative AI in particular? So generative AI would help you in creating. So generative AI, what's generative AI? In creating content from the images to the text you will use for your e-commerce brand to everything that has to do with generating stuff, images, videos, uh, text. As you could see from here, it says is a type of artificial intelligence that creates new original contents like text, images, music, and code. So there are a lot of things you use generative AI to do. That's why it is embedded into this course. So whatever course you're doing right now, I think you should look at the AI implication of those courses, and that's what we're trying to do. So right now, I'll have this sent out to my generative AI, which is Gemini. I'm currently using Gemini. I've shown you where you can get Gemini at discounted rates. Not just Gemini, even if you want to get ChatGPT, like currently I'm using ChatGPT Business as well. So you could use all these tools altogether. You could choose any of it. But basically I love Gemini because it can help you create a lot of things in terms of your creation process, images, videos. So I think I would go for Gemini. But if you want to get other AI tools like ChatGPT itself, so I have ChatGPT as well, so you could get that as well. So just come to store.blackcreative.com, the same website I showed to you in the previous lesson. It's the same website you're going to get all these subscription at discounted rates. So we have different generative AI, like I was saying, not just Gemini, but I prefer Gemini myself. So now I sent this out, and as you can see, it says starting this brand is a powerful move. You're essentially building an entrepreneurial operating system, a single hub where a founder can enter with an idea and live with a fully structured business. The concept of business recipes is excellent branding. It implies that business success isn't magic, it is just following the right steps with the right ingredients. Here is blueprint to build this one-stop shop for business in 2026. So here we have the business model. and the business model is all here. So basically, you see how generative AI could help your brand. I just showed you a sample, even from your decision making process to where you start execution. Generative AI is what would help you. So we're going to proceed from here in the next lesson. But right now, I'm just showing you the basic aspects of what generative AI can do. I'm going to show you how to use this same generative AI to design your business in terms of branding, the logo, everything you need to do. You can use generative AI to do it, and that's the essence of this very course. I'm going to show you that in subsequent lessons. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.